Wonder why they call it the hurricane deck. Wanna go find out?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Made of the mist. It's definitely worth the money. Very cool, something I hadn't done before, and I've been here a couple times. So I thought it might have been a bit of a tourist trap, but I think it's worth going at least once. Got to do that. So now we're gonna head this way. I'm gonna cross over to Goat Island and maybe go to the Cave of the Winds. So let's get our walk over here. Take in some of these falls. So these ones, the smaller ones over here, this is Bridal Veil, Luna, and American Falls. And Horseshoe's the big one in the back. So we're gonna try to get right over there. So we're here at the Cave of the Winds. Got ourselves some tickets. So we're gonna go to the Cave of the Winds. You do need times for that. So luckily it's 11:40 and they got us in at 11:52. I'm sure that's not normal all the time, but being at the end of August, I think everybody's getting back to school. There's not a lot of people here on a Sunday, so that's good. So now next to the Cave of the Winds.
The lands surrounding Niagara Falls are largely controlled by private owners, and public access to the falls is limited.
So, Cave of the Winds. We're gonna be at the bottom of the falls, the American and the Horseshoe. and we should be able to get to see the water come down from the bottom. Obviously we're gonna get wet again, and it said it's 60,000 gallons of water coming over the falls every second. So let's enjoy some of Cave of the Winds.
I'm gonna take a couple of pictures and I put my phone away.
Okay. I wonder why they call it the hurricane deck. Want to go find out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whew. Well,
Wow.
that was something. My shoes had just dried up just before that, and now they're twice as wet as they were before. Whew. Yeah, they were never the Maid of the Mist. I didn't get that wet in the Maid of the Mist. This was way worse.
I don't know how my arms are wet.
Yeah, I got wet underneath a little bit too.
I think my back's dry though. Is my back dry?
Yeah, looks like it.
That's where I was getting hit the most.
Yeah. Whew. Well, that was awesome.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That was a once in
So-
a lifetime thing.
From here, we're going to get rid of these ponchos, and we're going to start walking back to our car and cross the Rainbow Bridge, which should be somewhere behind me there. And we're going to go head to the Canadian side. So I got to cross the border. And right now, when you cross the border, they have an app.
I walked into my shoe.
Right now, when you cross the border, you have to go on to an app called ArriveCan and tell them when you're planning to cross and all that. That's really all we have to do for U.S. citizens right now, as long as you've got a COVID vaccination card. Other than that, you're good to go. So let's start heading across the way and get some of that view over there. Let's exit this way. So I think that's going to be it for our first video here at Niagara Falls, and as we continue into Canada in the next one. So if you like the video, make sure you like it, subscribe if you haven't already, comment, tell us what you think. That really helps us when you comment, and we like to hear from you. And
we take advice.
yeah,
So.
and give us advice, because we miss things. We're not the best at everything we do. And yeah, so we'll see you on the next one.